YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today we've got the Canon MP620. Now, if you're having this issue with your Canon printer, whether it's this one or another one, and you've got this error code that says B200, it's a printer error has occurred. See the manual. Now, it's gonna show you different reasons that this might have happened, but really, usually it's going to be a problem with your print head. So as you can tell here, nothing is moving because it has this code, but the print head is fairly easy to remove. Okay, you're just gonna have to remove the ink, and you have access there to the print head. Now once you take this out, you can tell there that it's in bad shape, and that is what is causing that issue. So what you're going to want to do is I'm going to leave a link in the description below for this specific printer for the print head. But if you click on that same link and you type in the model of your printer, and it's going to be on Amazon.com, and you type in print head after that, you can see there if yours pops up. I would highly recommend that you buy new ink, link in the description below, and the print head. Buy both. For the most part, what will be causing this issue. So I hope this was helpful. Go ahead and subscribe and comment below if you have any questions at all. Make sure to like. Thanks for watching, and until next time.